Hi everyone, welcome to the Cyber AK. What I wanna show you how to make faster your Redmi phone. First, enter your phone setting. 2. Click on the About phone. 3. In the MIU and versions area, tap until "You are now a developer" appears. Press the back button and enter the additional setting. Five. Click on Developer option. 6. Select the Window Animation Scale, Transitions Animation Scale, and Animator Duration Scale to Animations off. Seven. Select No Background Process in the Background Process limit. Your phone will be faster than usual. Thanks for watching till the end. You can like and subscribe to my channel for watching more technical tutorial video.